What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it might sound a little different, and that is because my GoPro mic failed yet again. I don't know who to blame on this one, if it's the GoPro or the adapter or the mic in general, but when it works, and it's great. But of course here, first part it did not want to work, but it does come back in later in the clips, so you'll see that shortly. Today we're also joined by a buddy of mine and his 6.7 beautiful Power Stroke, deleted, tuned, lifted, stanced, all that good stuff. So we had an idea, let's take a bike and a truck to a Cars and Coffee event, and it wasn't bad. He didn't think there was going to be a lot of trucks, and there was. I didn't think there was going to be a lot of bikes, and there actually was, so I was pretty happy about that. As you can see, there is no mirrors on the bike, and that is because we are not looking back at all. That's going to be my excuse every time that my mirrors either want to become loose while driving and or not working. When I went to go clean the bike, I looked and I was like, oh my god, my mirrors are on upside down. And I had the bright idea of, let's save time and just swap the bar ends. Well, when I did that, I'm not sure if one side's longer than the other. I don't think they are, but when I did it, I guess I tightened up the throttle side too much, and that made my throttle stick. And the morning I went to this event, I was like, yeah, no, we're taking them off, because I did not want to run into that throttle sticking issue, because that is very scary. So I recommend you check that every time you get on a bike. So to my surprise, there was actually a lot of bikes, maybe around like 30 or 40, but no Gsx-S at all. I was the only one. So right here, I wish my camera picked it up. But when I turned the corner, I was like, oh my god, Lambo, 2 RS3s, and another Lambo. I thought all they had here was horse and buggies. But of course my mic didn't pick it up. I thought it was very funny.
So we are back. Sadly I didn't get footage going in, but I'll throw the clips up now. What the show had to offer. It was actually a really nice show. Not as organized as you would think, but it was nice though. A lot of cars, a lot of expensive cars, a lot of supercars, bikes. Gotta show them what's good, So I think it's my first vlog since I put the levers on. Oh my god, do not let me get you on the highway. I did put my exhaust back on. It's just a little loud right now. I thought the Black Widow would go on a little faster, but just running into never home and traveling with work and stuff, so that thing sounds so good. Bike week's kind of like my time that I want to have the bike done. I think it's May. It's May. I don't even know what it is. Hold on, we're gonna get to the bottom of this. It's May 21st. I got like 4 months and a little bit extra to get this thing done. I got a lot of stuff ordered, but yeah, I like to set goals. So 4 months, and it sounds like it's really far away, but when you're working and working and working, that time just keeps going down. I can't wait to get it done. I'm trying to up my camera stuff too. It's just, oh my goodness, it's so expensive. Trying to build it and get equipment at the same time is like ridiculous. And then bills and all. Being an adult sucks. I want to go back to being a kid again, but you got to put the time in. Hopefully it blossoms into something amazing. So I've put a couple miles on this bike since I put these levers on, and I must say I am in love with them. They look so good, they feel so good, and you can adjust them, with the 1 through 6, closer or farther. And I really, really enjoy them. Oh, and I also got these super cool Sedici boots. Just because I seen a video on like a guy he went down and his toes, oh my god, they were in a pair of tennis shoes, and man, that really scarred me. So I just need to get pants and I'm pretty much done. I'll have like a full suit. But I would like to get an actual suit in the future. Just because you can never be safe enough, man. It's so scary out here. People not knowing how to drive could care less about you. You gotta protect yourself. This is the weather that sucks though, because when I left this morning, it was so cold that I had to like double layer up, and now it's getting warmer, so I could get out of my double layers, but I kind of can't because I'm on a motorcycle with no kind of luggage or backpack or anything. I just want it to be warm in the morning, in the evening, and at night. I'm so tired of like the temperature drop. God, this thing is so fun, man. I think here's where we're gonna end the video, guys. If you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. We're seeing you on the flip side. Peace.